Guys, Kenny here and welcome back. I am back again with another skincare video and today ang i-review naman natin is itong SKIN1004. And yung i-share ko sa inyo sa video na to specifically is yung kanilang bagong Hyalu-cica basic set which is yung sinubukan ko. Tatlong items yung sinubukan ko from SKIN1004 and yung first one is the Hyalu-cica Blue Serum. Second is itong Hyalu-cica Sleeping Pack. Tapos guys, itong last na tinry ko is itong Hyalu-cica Brightening Toner. You can also buy this individually but personally for me mas mai-recommend ko or mas maisa-suggest na set yung bilhin kasi mas mama-maximize nyo yung benefit and also yung discount. For those of you na hindi pa aware or familiar dito sa brand na to, SKIN1004 is actually a Korean brand and sobrang famous nila and sikat sa skincare. Tapos yung isa sa mga key ingredients na kilala sila and ginagamit nila sa mga skincare is yung Centella asiatica. Na alam naman nating sobrang sikat ngayon kasi diba parang halos lahat ng skincare gumagamit ng ingredient na yon. But what sets this brand apart sa ibang skincare brand is that yung ginagamit nilang Centella asiatica is actually from Madagascar pa. And aside from that, what's good about this brand is that all of their skincare products are hypoallergenic, perfect for all skin types and also if you have sensitive skin. Very gentle and mild kasi yung mga ginagamit nilang ingredients yet effective. And dito tayo magsimula sa kanilang toner and again guys, yung tawag dito is Hyalu-cica Brightening Toner. What's good about this is kagaya sa ibang skincare na meron na sila or existing, eto din, bagay na bagay siya or pwede kahit anong skin types. Kung yung hanap yung toner is yung something na very gentle sa skin, kayang ma-remove yung dryness, yung dead skin cells, and also yung mga makeup residue, this one is really nice and highly recommended ko siya for that. And I really enjoyed using this one kasi kitang-kita naman, di ba? I've gone through a lot na. Simula kasi nung dumating sa akin to guys, talagang everyday ginagamit ko siya and tinetest, morning and night. This is one of the most gentle toner na nasubukan ko in my life guys. As in kapag niligay nyo siya sa face, wala siyang stinging sensation. And since nga itong skincare product na to doesn't have any harsh ingredients or chemicals, yung scent niya is very faint lang but super fresh. It doesn't have any artificial fragrance which I appreciate kasi 'di ba, kapag meron siyang artificial na fragrance, meron siyang kasamang alcohol. And kapag merong alcohol yung toner or any skincare, what happens is nagdadry yung skin. But dito nga sa Hyalu-cica Brightening Toner, you don't need to worry kasi sobrang gentle lang talaga and safe ng mga ingredients na meron siya. Again, this one day to night ko siyang ginagamit after ko mag-wash ng face and even for removing makeup, actually super effective din niya. Pero hindi naman sa mga super harsh or heavy na makeup guys ha. This one, nakakatanggal lang siya kapag mga minimal makeup or kaya parang tinted moisturizer lang yung gamit. Another thing that I really like about this toner is yung consistency niya because as you can see, diba, sobrang watery niya. This one, super legit talaga niya as in sobrang lightweight, sobrang comfortable sa skin. Basically, para ka lang nag-apply ng tubig sa face but with benefits. And also dahil nga runny or sobrang liquid din ang consistency nito, almost like water, mabilis siyang ma-penetrate and ma-absorb ng skin. Especially sa akin, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga na mabilis tong ma-penetrate ng skin kasi wala talaga akong time masyado pagdating sa skincare. Kaya ang hinahanap ko talaga and gusto ko is yung mabilis ma-penetrate and this one, sobrang perfect niya for that. Tapos mapifeel nyo din kapag medyo nag-set na yung toner sa face or natuyo na siya, kapag hinawakan nyo yung skin nyo, sobrang supple and soft talaga niya. Ang pag-usapan naman natin this time is itong Hyalu-cica Blue Serum. And ito namang Blue Serum, ginagamit ko siya guys after kong gamitin itong toner. Ito ding Blue Toner, bagay na bagay siya sa kahit anong skin condition or skin types. But mas mai-recommend ko siya if you have dry skin. Yung goal kasi or main purpose nitong product is to hydrate the skin. Pero sa akin guys, even though I have oily skin, nag-work pa din to and nagustuhan ko siya kasi hindi naman siya yung klase ng serum na oil yung base. Yung consistency nito kasi guys, almost like gel. Look at that, diba? Para siyang gel and very runny. Tapos, once you rub it sa skin, after a few seconds, absorb na siya. Tapos, when you look at your skin, diba, it doesn't leave any grease, any shine, but very soft siya. And I feel like you can also use this prior to applying makeup kasi parang nag-a-act na din siya as a primer. You don't need a lot as well kapag ginagamit tong Blue Serum kasi sa akin sa face ko, 2 pumps lang, nako-cover ko na yung buong face and even yung neck. Ganun siyang katipid gamitin, kaya nakakatuwa. Kasi diba, alam mong maglalast siya. Even if you have oily skin, actually, sobrang importante na gumagamit kayo ng moisturizer or kaya ng serum kasi it doesn't mean na porket oily yung face nyo, yung buong face na yon. Meron pa ding parts ng face nyo na panigurado, dry yung skin. Sobrang importante pa din talaga na gumagamit kayo ng hydrator like serums, moisturizer, whatever. Kung sobrang rough and dry ng skin nyo and naghahanap kayo ng serum na talaga makakatulong to bring back the life Yun talagang kayang i-hydrate and moisturize yung skin nyo, tapos calming din siya kapag nilagay sa face. You might want to check this Hyalu-cica Blue Serum. Talagang nababalik niya and binibigay yung moisture na kailangan ng skin and naglalast siya all throughout the day. So yung third and final skincare from SKIN1004 na sinubukan ko naman guys is itong kanilang Hyalu-cica Sleeping Pack. And this one, as the name goes, sleeping pack siya and ginagamit ko siya every night. Basically, after kong gamitin yung toner, kapag medyo may time pa ako, ang ginagawa ko is toner muna. Then after this, what I do is naglalagay ako nitong blue serum. Tapos kapag na-absorb na siya ng skin, ang ginagawa ko is eto ng sleeping pack yung nilalagay ko. Just to make sure na talagang lahat ng goodness mapunta sa skin ko. Ganun yung ginagawa ko guys. Ginagamit ko tong tatlo bago matulog. Eto namang SKIN1004 Hyalu-cica Sleeping Pack is actually really nice. Especially if you want to have extra moisture sa skin. Very perfect as well if you don't have time to do your skincare. Kasi even if a little amount lang yung ilagay nyo sa skin, sobrang hydrated na talagang tingnan ng muka. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung consistency nito and itsura kapag nilagay. Gel type yung consistency niya and compared sa Hyalu-cica Blue Serum, this one mas thick siya ng konti. Actually, hindi konti kasi thick talaga siya, di ba? Hindi siya runny, hindi siya yung mabilis dumulas. And ganito naman siya kapag ni-rub. Sobrang dami talaga and generous ng moisture na binibigay niya sa skin, kaya sobrang perfect niya at night. Para pagising nyo, di ba, sobrang hydrated, sobrang fresh ng skin, and supple talaga. And since nga thick yung consistency nito guys, expect nyo nang medyo may tackiness siya ng konti. But comfortable naman siya. Para ka lang gumamit ng heavy moisturizer, ganun lang yung pakiramdam niya. Hindi naman siya yung parang glue or sobrang goopy or gloopy sa skin. Pero iwawash nyo naman yung face pagising, di ba? Kaya hindi siya big deal and you don't need to worry. And yung importante naman talaga is yung nagagawa nito sa skin, di ba? Which is yung pag-moisturize and pag-hydrate niya nga. As in, makikita nyo talaga guys, kapag ginamit nyo to at night, pagising nyo sobrang glowy tignan ng skin. Ang aliwalas niya. Saka meron din kasi itong ceramide guys, which is yung nakakatulong para ma-repair yung skin overnight. And ayun yung isa sa mga reasons kaya pagising nyo, kapag ginamitan nyo ng sleeping pack, sobrang fresh, sobrang supple, and healthy tignan ng skin. I really enjoyed using this one. And if you have nga dry skin, or kaya naman gusto nyo lang ng extra moisture sa skin, panigurado magugustuhan nyo to guys. Tapos ang tipid din niyang gamitin kasi yung pea-sized amount na pinakita ko kanina, ganun lang yung amount na nilalagay ko sa face ko guys, but nako-cover na lahat. But of course, syempre, it's all about parang personal preference. Kung gusto niyo dagdagan, go ahead, dagdagan niyo siya, okay lang naman. And maganda naman yung benefits niya, kaya it doesn't really matter whether konti man or madami yung ilagay niyo. Tsaka may mga times din naman na madami ako maglagay nito, especially kapag gusto kong i-treat or i-pamper yung skin ko. And overall for me, I really enjoyed using these skincare products from SKIN1004 and itutuloy ko pa yung paggamit dito. If you have dry skin or kaya naman naghahanap kayo ng skincare that can moisturize and hydrate your skin without exerting so much effort kapag ginagamit, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo itong SKIN1004 Hyalu-cica line. Again, this skincare doesn't have any artificial fragrance, kaya yung scent na maamoy nyo dito, natural siya. And even yung color ng product, especially ng serum and ng sleeping pack, medyo may pagka-blue kasi siya, but hindi siya colorant or artificial. Natural din siya, kaya you don't need to worry, especially if you have sensitive skin kasi safe na safe talaga siya. All of these products are also safe for everyday use kasi nga they don't have any ingredients that is harmful or harsh sa skin. Kaya even if you use this 2 times or 3 times a day even, okay na okay. You don't need to worry kasi it will not do anything bad sa skin. These are all hypoallergenic, suitable for any skin type, whether you have acne-prone skin, normal or dry. Pwedeng-pwede talaga siya sa kahit anong skin type, guys. As in, sobrang mild niya. Kasi sa akin, nung ginamit ko to, never ako naka-experience ng kahit anong stinging sensation, ng kahit anong weird sensation as in. And masasabi ko talaga na effective siya, especially when it comes to hydrating my skin. Kasi na-notice ko na even if I'm wearing makeup, my skin doesn't look flaky or dry. As in, nakikita ko talaga na yung moisture ng skin ko, nag-a-appear pa din siya. And these are definitely the best and perfect skin hydrators, especially sa weather natin, di ba? Na sobrang humid. I'm very sure ma-appreciate nyo talaga yung moisture na binibigay nitong Hyalu-cica line ng SKIN1004 kasi sobrang hydrating talaga. Very light din yung feeling and texture nitong mga product, kaya ang sarap niyang gamitin kasi talagang kapag kami massage nyo sa face, very soothing and comfortable yung feeling. And also, since nga meron tong Centella asiatica, hindi lang siya nakakatulong to hydrate the skin. It also calms the pimples. And of course, huwag natin kalimutan that this skincare line from SKIN1004 contains Centella asiatica from Madagascar. And if I'm not mistaken, parang sila yung first and only skincare product or line na meron nun. I'm very sure na kapag nasubukan nyo to, magugustuhan nyo siya kasi even sa Korean app na Huawei, sobrang sikat talaga nito and maraming nagre-review. Tapos palaging yung mga products nila, pasok sa 1% ng mga popular or most talked product. By the way, ito nga pala mga sinubukan ko available sa Shopee. So make sure to check the description box kasi lahat ng sinubukan ko, ililink ko and even yung page ng SKIN1004 sa Shopee. And also before we end this video guys, I have an exciting news. Meron tayong giveaway in collaboration with SKIN1004 and we have total of 10 winners. You heard it right guys, 10 yung winners natin and bawat isa sa inyo, mananalo ng isa sa mga sinubukan ko. And of course, to join the giveaway, all you have to do is follow yung mechanics na ipapop ko ngayon sa screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.